Hello friends, today we listen top 8 bird story for kids. Let's start now.
Sparrow and her children's story. In a forest, a sparrow lives lovingly in its nest with its children. It was summer season. One day, the children felt thirsty and said to the sparrow, "Mother, we are very thirsty. We need water." Then the bird came out of the nest and started wandering here and there in search of water, but there was no water everywhere in the sunny season. Then she come back to the nest and tells her children that today you will have to sleep without water because summer season no water here and there. Her children are very intelligent and they sleep without water. And that very night, it suddenly starts raining. The bird is very happy and takes the water lying on the leaves below and feeds it to its children. Pigeon and Peacock story. Proud Peacock admired his beautiful feathers, often beasting to the other birds. One day he met a pigeon who flew swiftly across the sky. The peacock envied the pigeon's ability to fly so high and free. He tried to fly like the pigeon but struggled with his heavy features. The pigeon noticed and said, "We are all have our strength. You are admired for your beauty and I for my speed." The peacock realized that everyone has unique gift and should be proud of them. Moral: appreciate your one strength instead of envying others.
Sparrow and Peacock story. Once upon a time there was colorful peacock and a little sparrow. They both loved their feathers and wanted to know who had the prettiest feathers. So, they asked a wise owl to decide. The owl smiled and said, "You both have beautiful feathers in your own special way. It's not about who is prettiest, but about being happy with who you are." The peacock and the sparrow understood and became best friends. They started playing and having fun together, not worrying about their feathers. Moral: true happiness lies in accepting oneself and welcoming friendship.
Listen Muni Sparrow story. There lived a bird in a forest. Her name was Muni. She was known for her voice and beautiful feathers. Every morning she would wake up early and fly around the forest singing with all her heart. The other birds of the forest would stop mesmerized by her voice. One day while flying, Muni saw a wonderful apple tree. The tree was full of juicy apples. She flew to the tree and started pecking at an apple. The sweet taste of the apple was such that she had never experienced it before. From that day onwards, Muni started going to that tree every day and eating the fruits. As the days passed, Muni noticed that the apple tree was drying up. Its leaves were turning dark in color. The apples were not as juicy as before. Muni was worried. She could not see her beloved tree in such a condition. She decided to ask her friends for help. Muni told them about the condition of the tree, and they all agreed to help. The next day they all went to the tree and started picking off his most beautiful song, hoping that it would bring new life to the tree. Weeks passed and the tree slowly started gaining strength. Its leaves turned green and the apples became big and juicy. The bird's efforts paid off. Muni was very happy. From that day onwards, the apple tree became a symbol of friendship and unity. The birds often gathered around the tree, sang and enjoyed its delicious apples. They decided that we will all always protect and take care of this tree. Arrogant tortoise and clever bird's story. On a day, a tortoise resting under a tree, on which a bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to bird on which bird had built its nest. The tortoise spoke to the bird mockingly.
What shabby home you have it is made. Of broken twist it has no roof and looks crude. What's worse is that you had to build it yourself. I think my house, which is my cell, is much better than your pathetic nest.
The sparrow replied.
Yes, it is made of broken sticks, looks shabby, but it is open to the elements. Of nature.it is crude, but I build it and I like it. I guess it's just like any other nest, but not better than mine.
You be jealous of my shell though.
Said the tortoise. On the contrary, bird replied,
My home has space for my family and friends. Your shell cannot accommodate anyone other than you. Maybe you have better house, but I have better home, said the bird happily.
The moral of story: never ever bully anyone. Parrot and crow story. Once there lived a parrot in a big tree. He was proud of his beautiful green wings and red beak. One day he saw a crow. He thought how ugly the crow's wings are. He said to the crow that his wings are black and ugly. The crow replied, though they are ugly, but helps him to fly to larger distance. The parrot moved the little more closer to the crow, spread his wings and showed how beautiful he is. Crow feel very sad and think, why God make me like this? Just then man arrived there with a cage and caught the beautiful parrot and left the place. Crow feel happy, say thank God make me like this and flying away. Moral: don't be proud of something what you have. Sparrow and monkey story. Once upon a time, a monkey and a sparrow lived in the same tree in a forest. The monkey was strong and playful, while the sparrow was small but wise. One day the monkey found a tree full of ripe bananas. He was excited and started eating greedily. The sparrow warned him, don't eat too many at once or you will feel sick. But the monkey didn't listen and kept eating until he couldn't move. Monkey feeling ill. He realized his mistake. The sparrow brought him water and helped him recover. Moral of the story: listen to good advice, no matter how small or weak the giver might seem.
Bird and squirrel story. One day, a beautiful bird came looking for foods. The bird looked around and saw a mango on a mango tree. It was ripe mango. A squirrel was eating that mango. The bird came near the squirrel. The squirrel was afraid of the bird and went aside. The bird started eating the mango. The bird saw the squirrel was looking sad. Came squirrel. Let's both eat this mango, said the bird. Squirrel was very happy. The bird and squirrel ate the mango happily. Moral: share everything equally with others is the best way of the life. Please share and subscribe for more stories.